promised by yours truly, that is the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee, that is I, we are going on our first rip on the 1982 Honda 450 Nighthawk. Today what we will find out is if this bird will fly. Spoiler alert, the answer to that question is yes. Yes indeed, she will fly. Because my YouTube channel is in desperate need of help, I'm going to ask you folks to check out the first 2 episodes on this motorbike. It has sat for 8 years, and I recovered it, and we have it running now on the road. It is sprinkling rain. That is unfortunate when I'm trying to do a first rip video. Anyhow, this thing is awesome. Straight up awesome. Look. Meow. Has old tires on it. Who knows how old they are, so I'm not going to push it. But she rides like a dream, and I love it. I was polishing on it. That should tell you something. I never polish on anything. I like this thing so much, the way it looks and everything, that I was actually polishing on it. It's unusual for me. I'm just saying. I had a little hesitation there in the corner. I don't know why. Probably still got a little bit of bugs to work out. She's ripping a nice 45 right there. Go around this corner. Look how she handles, like a dream. She is a dream. This whole motorbike experience has been a dream. Do you see how I just ripped it back? Watch here. Check out the RPMO gauge. Get it. Yow. 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 Easy, baby. Easy, girl. Woo. She is deadly. This is a nice motorbike right here. This is my style. So comfortable. Some of you guys are going to hate what I have to say, but why are new motorbikes so uncomfortable? Seems like every one I get, I got to move the handlebars. I got to do something with the dang seat. This is the best seat I've sat my butt in on a motorbike for since I was 15 and had one of these. Wow. Dang, she'll get it. Baby. Easy now. Ah! Can't. You can. No, you can't. Oh, slow down. Remember, old tires. Ooh. Woof. I don't want these tires to blow out. Where was I? Oh, where was I? Let me tell you about this Nighthawk. I can feel it has a little bit of weight on it. I understand that. It weighs over 400 pounds. I don't know. I don't think over 450. I don't know exact specs, but I'll tell you this. A little heavy for a 450 in nowadays terms. But the way the weight's distributed on this thing is like a Harley Davidson. You see what I'm saying? So you can feel the weight on it. You can feel it's got weight to it, but it's so well balanced. And I have to give Harley Davidson credit for that. Their motorbikes, I mean, they're pigs. They're 1,000-pound baggers or whatever, but they are, balanced in such a way that you can handle them. And that's how this little bike is, on a smaller scale, of course. Look at that nice little creek. See? Check it out. We always go this way, don't we? I'm gonna go around here. We'll get on this main road, and I might gouge it for you guys just to see how well she does. I got a little bit of low end adjustment. I can feel it. Throttle at low end. It's bogging just a little bit. Nope problem. I just gotta adjust the carburetor still. I hadn't adjusted the idle carburetors. Oh! What was wrong with it, you ask? Many of you are probably thinking, you idiot! Tell us what was wrong with this bike. Okay, so what it was, if you saw episode 2, that is, then I cleaned the jets with a tip cleaner, torch tip cleaner. Well then, still wasn't running right. 1 cylinder rich, 1 lean. I said, screw it. I'm not putting them back together unless I figure out what's wrong with the things. So I did. I took them apart. And when I did, I couldn't find anything wrong. It was driving me insane. I thought, what in the world? Finally. After so long, I just said, just screw it. I got to put them back together. I have no choice. There's nothing wrong with them. So I'm putting them back together, right? And I put that little black plug in on the one side, and then the other side, I couldn't find it. I thought, well, where's that black plug? Mind you, I was working on the carburetors outside this time instead of in the shop because I wanted good light. So I said, where's that black plug? Couldn't find it. All looking all over the place outside. And then I said, wait a second, Benny. Wait a second. I went back to the motorcycle lift. I looked around, there it was on the floor. You know what that means? It means after I cleaned the jets, everything was all cool and good. But I forgot that one black plug. I don't know how I did it, because I know about that black plug. It's not like I didn't know about it. Put it back in there, she's running perfect. As far as it lean on that one cylinder, I think it's possible. I don't really think it's lean. I think I didn't run it long enough, but I'm not real sure on that, to be honest. These cars are going too slow. We're not going to be able to get a top speed run, which we're not going to do top speed, but we're going to see what it does. Anyways, that's all it was. It was human error, basically, if you will, so to speak, and I'm not happy about that at all. But it happens. Sometimes when you're trying to fix stuff, you create your own problems, you know? You guys want to see what this thing will do? I do. I'm excited. I hadn't really had it. I hadn't done this yet. But here we go. Look, I'm going to start right off. Here's first. Ready? Clutch slips just a little bit. I think she needs to be broken. These freaking tires are wobbling. Look. Holy moly. Holy moly. She flies. I don't know what gear we're in. I'm just gouging it. I'm scared to death of these tires. Ah! Hadn't even hit. This thing's got 6 gears. I'm a little scared because of the tires. I'll be honest with you. I'm an idiot. I'll do a lot of things that are stupid, but these tires, come on, Benny, you're carrying it too far this time. Woohoo! 75. Holy moly. Hey, Dad, you said it wouldn't get past 70. Look there, there's 85. We pegged it. Oh, I can't stand it no more. I'm scared to death. I'm scared to death. I can't go no faster. That's it, guys. Not for today. Look at there. Sorry. It even blew the camera down. We were going so dang fast. So my pops, my dad had one of these when I was 15 years old, as I said, and I used to ride it. I don't remember how fast it goes, but he said 7 miles an hour is as fast as it'll go. He's got a Vespa now, and he thinks that's the baddest thing there ever was. He's wrong, but anyhow, this thing got up to 85. She's not even totally bug-free or tuned up, and we pegged the dang speedometer. Pegged it. I mean, pegged it. Unbelievable. This is crazy. This thing is so comfortable. I've been looking for one of these for a long time, you know, for the right one, and I am very happy with my purchase. Very happy. A few of the bugs worked out. She'll be a good bike. I'll put some new tires on it so I don't have to, you know, wet my pants every time I go for a ride, wondering when the big explosion is going to happen and I go flippity-flop all over the road. I don't need that in my life right now. Anxiety levels are getting high just thinking about it. You know, the tires wobble a little bit and stuff like that. I'm thinking, but it's all good. We're nearly home now. Back to the shack. So this is the progress on the bike. I hope you guys love it like I do. I believe there'll be more videos on this rig. I just got to do a little more work to her, and I'm going to keep polishing. I didn't get done polishing because I want to make sure I got your video up. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Doggone, this was a fun rip. I'll just tell you. Nice bike. Very pleased with my bike. Love it. I love her.